Am I big yet?
It was very early in the morning, and both Caillou and Gilbert were happily dreaming until...
Wakey, Caillou! Wakey!
Caillou wasn't finished dreaming yet.
Peekaboo! What is it, Rosie? Look! Rosie glowed! Wow, Rosie, you grew right through your pajamas. I bet I grew too. Come on, Rosie, let's tell Mommy and Daddy. Shh! Rosie, be quiet.
Rosie found it funny to watch Mommy and Daddy sleeping, but Caillou wasn't sure if they should wake them up.
Gilbert, shh!
Gilbert!
Good morning, my little early birds.
Rosie glowed.
Gilbert, cut it out. Shoo!
I think I grew too. Can we check and see, Mommy? Please?
All right, but let's let Daddy sleep in a little longer, okay?
Gilbert, however, had no intention of letting Daddy sleep in any longer.
Okay, Rosie, you first. Stand still. Wow, Rosie, you have grown. You just had a growth spurt. That means you grew very quickly.
My turn, Mommy.
Caillou hoped he had grown just as much as Rosie.
The pencil line is at the same place? I didn't grow at all?
Caillou was very disappointed. He hadn't grown even a little bit, and he began to worry that Rosie would grow taller than he was.
Don't worry, sweetie. You'll have a growth spurt soon. You'll see.
Daddy, how can I have a growth spurt like Rosie? I want to grow bigger.
A growth spurt, Well, it helps if you get plenty of sleep and exercise, and you do your best to eat well.
I got lots of exercise at the park yesterday, but I didn't grow like Rosie did. How do people eat well?
They eat healthy foods, like lots of fruits and vegetables. Oh, and we can't forget about milk for healthy bones.
Caillou really wanted to grow bigger, so he thought he'd take Daddy's advice.
Okay, I think that's enough for now. Any more and you'll be swimming in milk.
What are you doing, Caillou?
I'm exercising. If I stretch my arms and legs, I'll grow bigger.
Well, why don't you stretch yourself into the hallway and put on your shoes? We're going to the grocery store.
Attention, clean up an aisle 2, please.
Well, hello there. Haven't seen you in a while.
Rosie growed.
Why, yes, you have. You're getting to be such a big girl.
Caillou was waiting for Ted to tell him that he'd grown too.
Hi, Caillou. It's nice to see you again. Are you enjoying preschool?
Uh-huh.
Caillou was disappointed. Ted didn't say that he was a big boy.
Well, have fun shopping.
Up you go. Oh, my. You really are getting to be a big girl.
Can I push the cart, Mommy?
Oh, I don't know. I think the cart is still a bit big for you, Caillou.
Please?
Okay, but be careful.
Caillou was determined to show everyone that he was a big boy.
Yeah. Yeah. Oranges. Oh no! I'm sorry, Ted.
It's okay, Caillou. It's not your fault. These displays aren't made for little guys like you.
No, Rosie, I'm putting it away. Rosie, too. No!
I think you're a tired girl. Time for your nap.
Rosie, nap. Rosie, grow bigger.
This made Caillou think about what Daddy had said earlier. He needed plenty of sleep to grow bigger.
It's too bright. No fair, Gilbert. You can sleep anytime.
That was Andre at the door. Caillou had forgotten he and his friend had made plans to go to the park.
Andre, how did you get to be so big?
Well, I don't know. My mom says it's because I eat lots of peanut butter. I don't always like being big.
Really?
Sure. Sometimes I'm too big to do the stuff I want to do. And my pants are always too short.
Come on, let's ride on the bouncy elephant.
Oh, me first. Hey, I don't fit on here anymore. You can ride it.
Caillou fit just fine on the bouncy elephant,
I'm going on the monkey bars.
but he was more interested in playing with Andre.
Wait for me!
I'm getting too big for these.
I'm not, but do you want to go on the slide instead?
Yeah!
Are you two having fun?
Yeah, but Andre's too big for a lot of stuff. Maybe I like being small. Is it okay if I don't grow big for a little while longer?
I'm afraid I don't have any control over that. But I like you just the way you are.
Thanks, Daddy. Wait for me, Andre!
Caillou decided being little was okay. He had lots of time to grow bigger.
We interrupt Sleepy Time Serenade for a special news bulletin. The disabled Russian satellite did not land in the ocean as predicted. It has entered Earth's atmosphere, but scientists have no idea where it will crash.
What in the world? Hey, who dumped this big hunk of junk in my yard? The recycle yard ought to pay a few bucks for this. 18, 19, 20 smackaroonies. Not bad for a short nap's work.
It is now believed that the disabled Russian satellite crashed down somewhere in this city. And there's a 5 million ruble reward for its return.
5 million rubles? Well, why didn't you say so? I gotta get my satellite back. What? Closed? Ooh, not with my satellite inside. Guard dog on duty. Yeah, try Woodpecker on reconnaissance. Go on, get a job, you lazy mutt. Goodbye, puppy, in the junkyard. Go to sleep so my job won't be hard. Now, where's that satellite? Now, let's see. Where would I hide if I were a 5 million ruble satellite? I can't see a thing with all this junk. satellite there. Not there. Nope. Not there. Nope. Gone. Just like me. I'm sure I'll be able to spot my satellite from the top of Toilet Hill. Not in the old tire section. Not in the... Hey! What gives? I'm just here to get something back. Ah, heck, here's the 20 your master gave me for it. Now we're square, so I'll just... Hey, my satellite! Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, no. Here comes Drool Bucket. Well, well. My own Woody Wagon. Looks like $1 million. Nope, make that 5 million rubles. There's only one way out. Okay, there's only one other way out. You, over here. Whatever you do, don't put me in a small confined space, man! Like, don't put me in there, for example. Please! Thanks a lot. It's over, Rover!
You found our satellite. We thank you. You have certainly earned your reward.
Yeah, tell me about it. 5 million rubles, right?
Correct. Do you want it in Russian rubles or American dollars?
I like the green stuff.
With the current exchange rate, it's worth exactly $12.
What?
Oh, and 2 cents. Rate went up this morning.
Rubles? Phooey.